Sharing our struggles is a natural part of connection and healing, but there's a key difference between healthy sharing and trauma dumping. Trauma dumping, characterized by repetitive venting, one-sided conversations, and a disregard for appropriate timing and consent, can overwhelm others with intense emotions. This behavior can damage relationships, cause listener fatigue, and result in social isolation. For healthy emotional exchanges, it relies on consent, boundaries, and reciprocity. It means checking in with others and processing experiences in the right setting, such as with a therapist, to preserve connections and support healing. At Relief Mental Health, we offer confidential, structured environments designed to help you share safely and foster healing. If you're concerned about your communication patterns or their impact on relationships, guidance is available. To help you begin practicing healthier sharing, here are some strategies and alternatives to ensure you get support without overpowering your loved ones. Ask for permission. Before opening up, check if it's the right time to talk. Keep it balanced. Share in a way that allows for mutual dialogue and feedback. Use safe outlets. Journaling, creative activities, or support groups can help process emotions. Seek professional guidance. Therapy provides a safe and confidential space for healing. Reach out today. With compassionate support and effective strategies, your relationships can strengthen and your personal resilience can deepen. Visit reliefmh.com today. We're here when you need relief.